episode of
Beyond Breaking News,
where the news is of the people,
for the people,
but by the youth.
What the Ryan is doing with the children, I don't think any school is doing the help for this making this public awareness and all these films content.
You will begin to realize the importance of what you've done a few years hence. When you actually interact with kids from other schools, okay, when you guys get into your graduation and stuff. And you will realize that the sense of confidence that this, areas like this have engendered, within you will stand you in great stead.
It is indeed a privilege to be part of the certificate distribution ceremony of the students who have successfully completed their hands-on the training on the TV news, presentation and the production course at the Iceplex studio.
On this note, this is reporter Viraj.
This is Vaibhavi.
This is reporter Dipakshi.
And this is reporter Anj.
I reporter Tanya.
This is reporter Rahul.
And this is reporter Divisha.
This is Deepak.
And this is reporter Ishwarya.
Ryan International School, through Iceplex, created and conducted Beyond Breaking News, which has trained over 780 students from across the country.
This is Karan Chaudhary.
This is Shivani Seth. This is Trishla.
And this is Damish.
This is Vidushi.
This is Rupanshi.
And this is Shivash.
This is Ashish.
And this is Tejas.
This course helps offer students yet another career option, aiding in the all-round development of these youngsters. Kudos to the Ryan International School. I wish them all the best for their future endeavors. And my heartiest congratulations to the students. I hereby declare a week 3 of the hands-on training of BBN Summer Course 2013 in Malad close.
This is reporter Binish.
This is reporter Akshat Sharma. I am reporter Salil Sharma.
This is reporter Rochelle.
And this is reporter Unnati.
This is reporter Tanushri.
And this is reporter Shobit. This is reporter
Dakshita.
And this is reporter Akash.
Signing off from Beyond Breaking News, where the news is
Of the people.
For the people, but by the youth.